Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, what did I say? After Christmas, it is going to be absolutely crazy. It is time. It is happening. You need to stop, drop, and run. I'm going to give you all the details in this video, but first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. While you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other videos that you might want to go and check out, because Dollar General is absolutely on fire as well. We have new coupons, new glitches, freebies, we have new clearance markdowns, plus I just uploaded a video earlier today going over some stock up glitch deals. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about what in the world is going on at Walgreens and also Walmart. Alright, I told you guys after Christmas it is going to be absolutely crazy. You're going to get in on some fantastic deals. Today is the day. It is happening. The gift sets at Walgreens and Walmart have dropped to 50, 60, some even more than 60% off, but the majority of them that I have seen are 60% off at Walgreens. So I am showing you guys some pictures from last year's big gift set haul. I ran out December the 26th, went into Walgreens, and I picked up every single one of these gift sets for free, using coupons, promotions, Walgreens cash. It was amazing, and it is happening again this year, so you guys can get in on this deal right now. But you have to hurry up and get to the store before the shelves are cleared. Now, going into the store is going to be your best bet. You can do some pickup orders online if that is what you prefer to do, but I will warn you all, they can cancel it if they're out of stock of those items. If somebody runs in and picks them up before they get to your pickup order, they can cancel it, or they can substitute items, so you may not get the exact item that you were wanting. So keep all that in mind. Also, as I was scrolling through trying to check out all the gift sets on the app, it looks like a lot of them say that they are available for shipping, but then once you click and actually try to ship them to your house or to the store, it's just not working. So don't even try that. Don't waste your time. Go to the store. That is going to be your best bet. Now, as you all can see, there's a ton of gift sets scrolling across your screen. There are more in the app. You can just go to the app, type in gift sets, and scroll through and see all of the ones that are 50% off, 60% off. We do have digital coupons on some of these items. We do have promotions on some of these items. Also, if you do plan on doing any pickup orders, don't forget to use the code WAG10. That will take an additional 10% off right off the top. There may be some other coupon codes out there that I'm just not aware of. If anybody has any and you want to share, leave it for us down there in the comment section below. Now, I also want to talk to you guys about going in the stores and getting these gift sets, because last year we did run into some issues, especially after, all the employees caught on to what was happening. So you guys may run into some similar issues this year, and I just want to kind of give you all a quick heads up and a little bit of a workaround. So basically, when you go into the store, as some of y'all may already know, a lot of these gift sets have coupons inside the box. So especially on name brands like Old Spice, Olay, Dove, Axe, all of those, Chic, Venus, Gillette, all those razors, they typically will offer some kind of coupon with the gift set inside the box. So what people are doing is they're going into the store, pulling the coupon out of the box before they purchase it, and using it on that gift set. As you guys can see, some of these gift sets are just $4 right now. If we have a $3 coupon, you're paying $1, which is absolutely amazing. Now, the issue that we had last year was once the employees kind of caught on to what was happening, which it didn't take very long, they kind of felt a little bit weird about it and didn't know if they were doing the right thing by accepting the coupon, especially because it was making them basically free. So what ended up happening, what my experience was, I was told that I had to purchase the gift set first, then take that coupon out. I could use that coupon on the next gift set. So, for example, last year we had the Axe and the Dove gift sets. I believe both of those came with a coupon for a completely free item. What I ended up doing, I believe I went in and purchased 4 gift sets using Walgreens cash. I took those 4 coupons out of the boxes, and then I purchased 4 more gift sets using the coupons as the payments. So there's a little bit of a workaround, especially if you come in contact with some employees who are not quite sure what is happening, what's going on, if it's the right thing to do, because, you know, we're getting these gift sets for basically free. Like I said, we do have digital coupons on a lot of these, but as you all can see scrolling across your screen right now, a lot of gift sets have coupons inside them this year. Gillette, Venus, $3, $4, $5 off. So these are all going to be fantastic deals. Like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure that you check over at Walmart as well. I'm pretty sure that their gift sets are 50% off right now. And I am sure if you have a CVS in your area, it's probably the same kind of thing going on there as well. So there's your 3 stores I would definitely check out today. I know with Walmart last year, we went through self-checkout and didn't have any issues. At Walmart, I was able to do 5 gift sets at a time using 5 coupons. Now, I know that Walmart has recently changed their couponing policy a little bit. So, again, you may run into some issues, but just, you know, kill them with kindness. Kindness goes a very, very long way. And also, whether you are going to shop at Walgreens or Walmart or possibly CVS, if they have some deals going on there, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Check up and down the regular personal care aisles, the shaving section, the shampoo, the deodorants, because these gift sets have been on the shelves for a few weeks now. And things can get misplaced. They can get put on the top shelves. They can get put on the end caps. I have noticed, especially with Walgreens, they love to put those gift sets on the end caps. So look everywhere you go. And also, don't forget, whether you go to Walgreens or Walmart, you can download the app and scan the items before you go up to the register to make sure that they are at that clearance price. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me for now. I'm going to let you all go. Run out there and grab up these deals before they are gone. And please, please, please come back and let me know if you scored. And of course, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming your way. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.